Hi everyone, welcome to our channel How to Grow. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to delete YouTube Kids account. So to get it started, firstly you need to install the YouTube Kids application from the Play Store or App Store on the device, and then you need to head into the YouTube Kids application. Once you are on the home page of YouTube Kids, on the bottom right corner, you will be able to find out privacy button. Tap on privacy. To access, you need to enter your passcode. If you forget your passcode, you can simply tap on forget password link and then easily reset the passcode. After you have entered the passcode, on the right hand side, you will find out the different options there. So you need to tap on settings and now select the profile icon of your kid account. Now you need to enter the password that you have set previously. After you enter the password, then you will be get access on this page where on the upper right corner there is the three dotted line. Simply tap on it. Now tap on delete this profile. So if you delete this profile, you can't sign in to YouTube Kids anymore. So tap on delete profile again. The YouTube Kids account has already been deleted, so I hope you find this video useful. If this video was useful, then hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the notification bell to never miss an upcoming uploads from our channel. Thank you.